guys, and welcome back to Joy's channel. I'm so happy to have you back with me here. In today's video we are going to take a look at the Tribit Stormbox Blast 2, which was released recently. Some of its highlights: explosive 200 watt output, unstoppable 30 hours playtime, fun and interactive karaoke, and so on and so on. At the back you can see two microphone inputs with separate gain control, auxiliary input and an USB in and output along with the usual 220 volt input. So let's have a listen and try some of the built-in EQ presets.
Brace yourself, I'm ready for another. I said it once before. Without you, I'm sunlight, so bright, so right. Sunlight, so bright, so right.
Many of you have requested to try the Stormbox Blast 2 against the earphone Oluv'Sone X, which is a bit unfair as the Oluv'Sone is cheaper, smaller, lighter and with less power. But let's listen anyhow, as you wanted to hear them.
Maybe you've been waiting up all night, heavy breathing in the light. I've been waiting right outside, feel it come grab my thighs. It's all blurry. And you laying next to you got me questioning what I think is important. And oops again, don't know what I've been on. I turn to when you make me sweat. I can't forget. Right as you kiss my, I can't forget. As you kiss my neck, make me sweat. I feel it come rising on. I feel it come. I feel it come rising on. I feel it come.
I mean, I talked to him yesterday. He promised he would come. But now,
First time I saw you, I knew I had to have you. Don't mean no one night stand. Gotta find a way to be a man. It's something about the way you turned and looked at me. Your smile, it turned me on and set my mind at ease. I'm trying hard not to stare. Don't wanna look thirsty. Just trying to play it cool. Gotta show you that I'm worthy. You walked in all the air and seemed to leave this room. Had to find a way to get next to you. I'm here to testify. Give me a chance and I'm satisfied. Captive your heart and I go to your mind. Don't wanna mess me up cause I'm one of a kind. Hands up, you're checking me out. To figure out what I'm all about. Wondering if my love will make you scream and shout. If I don't go first, I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. first class seat, a fly private. And last time I let you go and I regret it, baby. So drop your pen and I'm headed the way you're headed. I need ya, same way your body need a heartbeat, ya. Same way you gotta sneak heartbeats. Honestly, if I be honest, I want you. If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby, deep inside. I need your company. So many things that you do right, you like.
Video. Next time we will get out and try them outdoors. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Mwah.